Thinking about moving to Dallas but feeling super overwhelmed because there's so many options, trust me, you're not alone. There's over 100 neighborhoods here, and trust this, they're not all created equally. So today we're gonna talk about the best neighborhoods in Dallas so that you can figure out what is gonna be a good fit for you. Whether it's culture, lifestyle, or just an investment potential, we're gonna see what might be your good vibes. First on the list is Bishop Arts area, which is very artsy plus walkable. So you're gonna find a lot of murals, which is like paintings, and you're gonna find lots of restaurants and retail. It's walkable, and boutique charm is the energy for up and coming artists or people who are very creative. Entrepreneurs or anyone they really like to be around community, because Bishop Arts does have that. Now bonus, I will say this, the condos and houses in the Bishop Arts area is gonna be a lot more affordable than uptown. Next on our list is the Knox Henderson area, which I love this area. It's very trendy and very elevated. If you like city with a splash of luxury, then I will tell you this, Knox Henderson, she's your girl. I like to say that Knox Henderson is that girl. She is very fun. She has, honestly, a lot of things that are walkable. Now, things are gonna be a little bit more expensive than they are in the Bishop Arts area, but I love Knox Henderson area. And I think you have everything that you need or desire. So it's great for professionals, foodies, or people who are wanting to come into the city and figure out where their place is. And it's super easy to get to Katy Trail or just do like a morning walk. Third on our list is the Trinity Grove area, which this area I love. It's like the up and coming area. One, I love the fact that there's a lot of potential for investments, getting in early so that you are able to then buy these lots or these houses and honestly sit on them to appreciate, because they're super close to Dallas, but that area isn't fully developed out. So to me, this is your sweet spot where you're close to downtown without being in downtown, but not having downtown prices. I think that this, to me, that's where I'm buying next. It is the golden child. That's what I would call it. That's the golden neighborhood. You also have skyline views. Trinity Grove to me is just unmatched. And if neither one of those three match your vibes and you need more space and more chill, Oak Cliff is great. Some areas of Oak Cliff is like chef's kiss because it is being super developed out. They have a lot more acreage. I won't even say acreage, just more lot. East Dallas, I live in East Dallas right now and I love it. You will get more space, a little bit more bang for your buck, but you won't be as close to things. You will not be as walkable. So East Dallas or Oak Cliff are good options too. Of course, North Dallas is great as well. I feel like we always talk about North Dallas because appreciation wise, North Dallas is killing it, but these areas to me are still where you have the most potential and prices are still not like quote unquote cheap. They're affordable, but they're not as expensive as the ones in the north. Don't get me wrong, Uptown's gonna be a little bit more expensive just because it's in the heart of Dallas. So I know that this has brought you value, guys, and what I would advise is don't do this alone. If you're looking to move to Dallas and you're trying to figure out what's gonna be best for you, I would love for you to set up a one-on-one. You take about 15 to 30 minutes just to kind of hear your story and help you place you for where you need to be. And if you have kids, where that looks like, if schools matter, if they're young, or if you're starting off in this new job, commute, there's so many different things. So don't do this alone. Schedule a one-on-one so I can help you from where you are to where you want to be. All right, I'll see you until next week. Peace.
Oh my gosh, there she is. It's Kira Ford. Kira Ford, you don't know what? You never heard? Oh my gosh, she slayed